Owning a car is a big investment, and most people want their vehicle to last as long as possible. While no car can run forever without some maintenance, adopting the right habits can help your car reach an impressive milestone, like 500,000 miles with minimal repairs. With regular care, smart driving, and attention to detail, you can extend your car's life and save money. In this video, we'll explore 7 habits to keep your car running smoothly for years. 1. Follow the maintenance schedule. Every car comes with a maintenance schedule in the owner's manual, which tells you when to change the oil, replace filters, check fluids, and perform other important tasks. Following this schedule is the most important habit for keeping your car running well and lasting longer. Regular maintenance helps prevent small problems from turning into expensive repairs. For example, changing the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as recommended for your car, keeps the engine properly lubricated and reduces wear. To stay on top of maintenance, read your manual carefully and note tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and timing belt replacements. Set reminders on your phone or calendar to help you remember. Also, always use high-quality parts and fluids that meet your car's specifications. Cheap oil or filters might save money now, but can damage the engine over time. Studies show well-maintained cars can last well over 200,000 miles. 2. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive habits. How you drive plays a big role in how long your car lasts. Aggressive habits like speeding, slamming the brakes, or accelerating too quickly can wear out your engine, brakes, and suspension faster than normal. Smooth driving, on the other hand, protects these important parts. For instance, gentle braking helps your brake pads last longer, and slow, steady acceleration uses less fuel and puts less strain on the engine. To drive smarter, avoid sudden moves, keep your speed steady, and use cruise control on highways when possible. It's also a good idea not to rev your engine when it's cold. Let it warm up for a minute or two, especially during winter months. The U.S. Department of Energy says aggressive driving can reduce gas mileage by 15–30%, which adds up in fuel costs and repairs. 3. Keep your car clean and protected. A clean car isn't just about looking good. It's also about protecting your investment. Dirt, road salt, bird droppings, and tree sap can damage the paint and eat away at metal parts, leading to rust and corrosion that weaken your car's frame and mechanical systems. Regular washing removes these harmful substances, especially in winter, when salt from snowy roads can build up quickly. Aim to wash your car every 2 weeks or once a week if you live in an area with harsh winter conditions. Don't forget to clean the undercarriage, where the grime often collects unnoticed. Wax your car at least twice a year to create a protective layer over the paint. If possible, park in a garage or under a carport to shield your car from sun, rain, and hail. These elements can cause paint fading and interior cracking. According to a 2021 study by the American Automobile Association, AAA, rust-related repairs cost U.S. drivers billions each year. 4. Check and maintain tire health. Tires are your car's only contact with the road, so keeping them in good condition is crucial for safety and longevity. Poorly maintained tires can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, poor handling, and even blowouts, while also putting extra stress on parts like the suspension. Underinflated tires wear out faster and cause the engine to work harder, costing you more in fuel. To keep your tires in top shape, check the pressure at least once a month using a tire gauge. The correct pressure is listed in your owner's manual or on the driver's door sticker. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear and extend their life. Replace them when tread depth drops below 2/32 of an inch. Also, get a wheel alignment yearly, or if you notice uneven wear or the car pulling to one side. Misaligned wheels not only wear tires faster, but also strain suspension parts. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, thousands of accidents each year are caused by tire issues. 5. Monitor fluids and fix leaks. Promptly, your car relies on vital fluids such as engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid to operate smoothly and safely. These fluids lubricate moving parts, regulate temperature, and help systems work properly. If fluid levels get too low or leaks are left unchecked, serious damage can occur. For instance, low coolant can cause the engine to overheat, and low transmission fluid may lead to gear slipping or failure. That's why it's important to check fluid levels every month using dipsticks or marked reservoirs under the hood. Also, keep an eye out for leaks. Puddles or stains under your car may signal trouble. Follow your car's manual to flush and replace old fluids regularly. A 2020 Carfax survey revealed 20% of used cars had unresolved fluid leaks, often leading to costly repairs. Catching problems early through regular fluid checks helps keep your car reliable and efficient. 6. Listen to your car and address issues early. Your car often gives early warning signs when something is wrong, like strange noises, vibrations, or dashboard lights. Ignoring these signs can turn small, inexpensive issues into serious and costly repairs. For example, a squealing belt might only need tightening, but if it breaks, it could damage major engine components. That's why paying attention to unusual sounds, smells, or performance changes is so important. If a warning light comes on, use an OBD2 scanner, or take your car to a mechanic to find the cause. Keep a notebook or app to track any odd behavior. This helps with quicker diagnosis and avoids repeated problems. Consumer Reports says early repairs can cut costs by up to 50%, making this a smart habit. 7. Choose a reliable car and know its limits. Not all cars are built to last 500,000 miles, so choosing a reliable model is one of the most important habits for long-term vehicle ownership. Even with excellent care, some cars simply hold up better over time thanks to stronger engines, better build quality, and fewer design flaws. Knowing your car's capabilities and limits helps prevent unnecessary strain that could shorten its life. When shopping for a vehicle, do your research. Look for models known for their longevity, such as the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, or Ford F-150. Check expert reviews and reliability ratings from trusted sources like J.D. Power or Consumer Reports. Avoid overloading the car or using it for tasks it wasn't designed for, like excessive towing. If you're buying used, always get a pre-purchase inspection from a reliable mechanic to confirm the car has been well cared for. A 2023 iSeeCars study listed the Toyota Prius and Honda CR-V as top vehicles likely to surpass 250,000 miles. Starting with a dependable car gives you a big advantage in reaching 500,000 miles. Real-life examples. Some drivers have already achieved the 500,000-mile mark by following these habits. For example, a 2016 article by Motor Trend highlighted a California man who drove his 1990 Honda Accord to 1 million miles. He credited regular oil changes, gentle driving, and timely repairs. Similarly, a 2022 post on X celebrated a Toyota Tundra reaching 500,000 miles with only routine maintenance, showing these habits work in practice. In conclusion, making your car last over 500,000 miles without major repairs is a realistic goal with the right habits. By following the maintenance schedule, driving smoothly, keeping your car clean, checking tires and fluids, addressing issues early, and choosing a reliable model, you can enjoy years of trouble-free driving. These habits not only save you money but also reduce the environmental impact of replacing cars frequently. Start small, stay consistent, and your car will reward you with incredible longevity. Whether you drive a sedan, truck, or hybrid, these 7 habits are your roadmap to a long-lasting vehicle. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on vehicles. Thanks for watching.